We're on a street corner in Waldwick, New Jersey. This is actually, believe it or not, Franklin Turnpike, which is one of the main county roads in Waldwick, New Jersey. I am walking past downed wires and transformers everywhere, right next to a gas station, with additional transformers in the middle of the street. Dangling wires, no warning. Basically, this entire section is completely shut down. This is just insane. Everywhere you look, this entire place was destroyed. This is it. No gas, no power, nothing. All right, Doc. We must keep moving. And Klein Opie is asleep in the car, little boy. Okay, Klein Show. Sleep through everything. Doc, wave goodbye to the camera. It's day 4 of the hurricane. How do I look, Doc?
You look frazzled. And for a man who's married, you're struggling.
All right, Doc. Say goodbye to this horrible scene.